In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products in Wix. If you're looking to take your digital store online or expand your existing one, you've come to the right place. I'll walk you through the process, highlighting key steps that will help you effectively set up and manage your digital products. So, let's get started. First, head over to Wix's website. Once there, you'll either need to create an account or log into your existing account. This is your gateway to accessing all of Wix's powerful tools and features, ensuring you have the best platform for your digital sales. Once you're in, locate your existing project. If you're starting fresh, simply create a new project. Otherwise, open the project where you'll be adding your digital products. Next, direct your attention to the left panel on your Wix editor. Here, you'll find the App Market. Click on this option to open a range of apps designed to enhance your site. In the search bar provided, type in Wix Stores, and when it appears, click Add to Site. This app is essential as it will help you manage your inventory, process transactions, and present your digital products to potential customers. After adding Wix Stores, head to your Wix dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Within the dashboard, find and select Store Products, then click on Add Product. Since we're focusing on digital products, you'll need to choose the option labeled Digital File. This will set the parameters for your product, ensuring it's delivered electronically to the buyer. Now, it's time to fill out the product details. This includes naming your product, providing a description, setting the price, and uploading an enticing image. Each field should be filled with the customer's experience in mind. The more clear and attractive you make this, the better impression your product will leave on potential buyers. Once you've entered your product details, scroll to the Digital File section and click Upload File. This is where you'll add the actual digital product that customers will receive. Make sure the file is well organized and appropriate in size to avoid any upload issues. Now, setting up payment options is crucial. Go to Settings in your Wix account and select Accept Payments. Here, you'll connect your preferred payment options, like credit cards or PayPal. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect and verify your chosen payment methods. This step ensures a seamless transaction process for your customers. With payments sorted, it's time to customize your product page layout. Personalizing this area can greatly enhance user experience, providing a direct impact on sales. Once satisfied with your setup, click on Preview to see how everything looks. If all is well, hit Publish. Your digital product is now live and ready for the world. And there you have it, a streamlined process designed to help you start selling digital products on Wix successfully. Thank you for joining me, and happy selling!